Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I look a haggard mess. We are definitely in summertime in Texas. The index today is 112. And I know those of you in different parts of the world, but oh, that's nothing. Hey, it's not a pissing contest. Hot is hot. Hot. But anyway, moving forward, I hope this video may help those of you who wound up on this video because of obviously the title, which is 5.3. We're having a low oil pressure issues. It keeps fluctuating. So let me get you guys in the cab here. I'm sure the radio is going to connect, so just bear with me. See if I can't get that to stop. Obviously, you guys can see there's oil pressure. I'm not going to start it playing music. Okay, but anyway, so the issue I'm having, let me lower this down, is the oil pressure gauge driving. Well, you know, it starts off fine. It goes up to about 40, you know, rides where it about needs to be, and then it'll slowly just start creeping around that quarter mark. And this is with me and the gas guys, you know, motor running, obviously driving down the road, highway speeds, and next thing I know, it's floating above that red mark. Not actually getting on the red mark, but floating just above it. And we're getting the thing down here. Excuse my dirty truck. I'm gonna get to why it's so dirty here in a second. But it'll say down here, you know, low oil pressure, and we need to essentially shut the truck down. So a little bit of backstory for this situation. The truck has been down for a few months with a blown head gasket. Before the blown head gasket, we had no low oil pressure issues at all. To button back up there as far as the head gasket, stuff like that, excuse me. And started doing the drive around, and now we're having some oil pressure stuff. I do have braking oil in here, just kind of because taking the head apart and all that other stuff, you know, there's rockers and push rods in there, so I let those soak in oil anyway. But we're not having temp issues anymore. Now we're having this low oil pressure issue. So moving forward, what I'm gonna try today is, I got this stuff right here. Let me get it out of the truck. This stuff right here. Been on YouTube all day and found this. Two guys using this. I'll figure out their channel and tag them here in just a minute. But they use this, similar situations in a 5.3, and so apparently it helped them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm letting the engine cool down right now. That's why I have the fan going. I'm not gonna have it on right now because it sounds like freaking an airplane is running in here.
And so strong.
So, but I'll let it cool down a little more. We're gonna put this in here, let this cycle through. Obviously follow the directions on the bottle is what we're gonna do. I'll show that in a second, but we're gonna go through the process and drain this oil out and put new oil. And then from there, I'll give it a week and we'll see if we're still having the same issues and or not. So let's see if this miracle in a bottle works. So jump into putting it in the engine. See you guys in a second. Okay, so real quick, the two videos I found were the two other guys I was talking about using this. The channels are X Cody, shout out to you, and Farm Dad, shout out to you as well.
Shout out.
Just want to make sure I got that out of the way. So anyway, both those guys use this. They have YouTube videos on it. If you haven't already watched those, you can go check those out as well. But so the engine's cool enough, in my opinion. Read the direction on the back for this stuff. It says you want to let the engine cool down.
Step 1.
You know, and then add this to a safe oil level engine.
Step 2.
And so make sure you know that the oil level isn't like at the very tip top before you add this, that, and the other. You know, just follow the instruction if you're going to do this. I am by no means condoning, I'm not a mechanic, so don't hold me responsible because I'm doing this with my personal stuff.
We have to show you this disclaimer.
Anyway, I just want to show you guys, this is a brand new bottle. It is closed. Go ahead and break the seal. Maybe. I don't have my pocket knife with me. But there we go. That's open. Take this over here now. And like it says, add to the crankcase. And I do believe it says the entire bottle. So I'm fairly certain it's the entire bottle. But anyway, go ahead and do this. This is not the fun stuff here. This is not what you guys really care to see. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in, do this procedure, go ahead and drain this stuff after the 5 minutes is up per bottle instructions. And then put new oil in, and I'll pick back up after the new oil's in, and then we'll go from there. See you guys in a minute. All right, y'all, it's been actually just a little over a week, just because of my work schedule. So anyway, it's been like a week and a day or something like that. But anyway, I just wanted to finally get to the point of showing you guys this right here. Bear with me. I believe you guys can see that right there. We've got oil pressure cruising, you know, highway speed. When I get in it, that's where my oil pressure is now. You know, when I'm idling, it gets down in between that 20 or quarter mark and the 40 mark there. I must say, over a week cruising around here and there, and so far that seemed to have been the fix. Just needed a good flush out. So not that this was like a myth busted video, but I must say I'm now a fan, and I will probably start using this engine flush before each oil change in all of my vehicles. So for me, this helped with that low oil pressure or steady dropping oil pressure out of nowhere situation. So hopefully, if you made it this far, this video has helped you. Hopefully this $8 essentially fix from AutoZone or O'Reilly's will be the cure that helps you get your stuff situated before you just start having to chunk parts at it. You know, for me personally, again, I'm not some master mechanic or anything like this, but the reason I was like, well, this is the $8 fix. So before I even start turning wrenches again on this particular truck, I was like, why not just start there? You know, $8 and, you know, get some oil and try it, right? So anyway, again, I hope this video's helped you. So if it did, please like the video. Go check out some other stuff if it's your first time here. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.